Welcome to English Repeat with me Day 5. If you want to speak English confidently, you are in the right place. Don't worry about mistakes, repeat with me, and improve every single day. Let's start today's practice.
70 Daily Life Useful English Sentences. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I make my bed after waking up. I make my bed after waking up. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower daily. I take a shower daily. I get ready for my day. I get ready for my day. I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in the morning. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I have my breakfast on time. I have my breakfast on time. I help my family at home. I help my family at home. I get ready for work or study. I get ready for work or study. I leave my house on time. I leave my house on time. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. I attend my classes regularly. I attend my classes regularly. I try to be punctual. I try to be punctual. I talk to my friends. I talk to my friends. I use my phone carefully. I use my phone carefully. I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. I drink enough water. I drink enough water. I take short breaks. I take short breaks. I focus on my work. I focus on my work. I learn new things every day. I learn new things every day. I practice my English daily. I practice my English daily. I watch English videos. I watch English videos. I repeat sentences loudly. I repeat sentences loudly. I try to speak confidently. I try to speak confidently. I do not fear mistakes. I do not fear mistakes. I improve step by step. I improve step by step. I stay positive. I stay positive. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I work hard for my goals. I work hard for my goals. I return home in the evening. I return home in the evening. I freshen up after coming home. I freshen up after coming home. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. I help with household work. I help with household work. I have my dinner. I have my dinner. I talk about my day. I talk about my day. I relax for some time. I relax for some time. I use social media wisely. I use social media wisely. I prepare for the next day. I prepare for the next day. I keep my things organized. I keep my things organized. I reflect on my mistakes. I reflect on my mistakes. I try to do better tomorrow. I try to do better tomorrow. I feel grateful for today. I feel grateful for today. I stay away from negativity. I stay away from negativity. I motivate myself. I motivate myself. I follow my routine. I follow my routine. I sleep on time. I sleep on time. I take care of my health. I take care of my health. I love learning English. I love learning English. I enjoy my daily life. I enjoy my daily life. I stay calm in tough situations. I stay calm in tough situations. I manage my time well. I manage my time well. I respect everyone. I respect everyone. I speak politely. I speak politely. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I try again if I fail. I try again if I fail. I never give up. I never give up. I stay consistent. I stay consistent. I trust the process. I trust the process. I move forward every day. I move forward every day. 2000. I believe practice makes perfect. I believe practice makes perfect. I learn from my experiences. I learn from my experiences. I stay focused on my dreams. I stay focused on my dreams. I work on my confidence. I work on my confidence. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I am learning English easily. I am learning English easily. I am becoming better day by day. I am becoming better day by day. I am strong and confident. I am strong and confident. I am ready for success. I am ready for success.
Great job for practicing today. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Repeat these sentences daily and your English will improve faster than you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Repeat with Me. See you in the next video.